Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you how you can generate transcripts and captions where the team meeting recording is stored. So first of all, let's go to the calendar and schedule a meeting. Let's call it a test meeting, and we'll send it to somebody. Let's call it to Alex, and we will send it. We'll enter the meeting and start a recording. Just a short recording, just to see that everything is okay. Here we go. So I'm entering the meeting, and actually I will go to the three dots and start the recording. It's also starting here the transcripts, but it can be shut down. I'm just testing everything here to see that everything's working, and I will stop the recording. I will stop everything, and actually I will exit the meeting. After a couple of seconds, we will see also the recording here. I will go to the chat, and you see here actually the recording. We also see here some issue of feature that the recording is set to be expired. This is based on what is set on the tenant. By default, it's 90 days, but we can see that also later. So actually, if I click on this recording, I will be directed to the OneDrive where the file is stored. If it's in a regular team meeting, a regular team meeting. If it's a Teams group, then actually it will be stored in the SharePoint. So first of all, we see here a message that it says the meeting recording will expire. We'll in a second relate to that. If I play this recording, so you see here actually we can see the video, but we see here on the right some settings. So the video settings, if I click, I can see that we can mark the about video, but here we can also actually generate transcripts and captions. So if I activate it, you see I will get here a possibility to generate captions. Currently I see it's only for spoken language English, US. You could also upload here some web VTT. I'm not familiar with how to do it, but what we can do is actually generate the English. Now it says here it might take some time. We can click refresh, and actually in a couple of seconds it will be set. Let's just wait. Let's click here to see what's here. We have the file name and the video and description. Let's go back. Let's refresh. Okay, so now you see that actually it says that the file is ready. We can download it or delete it. We have here the transcript actually over here. So we see this is what I said. And actually we can also see if we mark the CC here, we can also see it. So you see, so let's start it. Okay, so we see actually we have this. So this is actually the new feature. Try it out. Now, you remember we talked about actually the expiration date. So you see this video actually, if we mark it and we go to the information panel, you will see that we now have this expiration date. So because the tenant has 90 days set by default, it depends on your administration, then it tells me it calculates until 14th of July. But I, as a user, can extend it by 7 days, by 30, by 60. I can select the date. Let's say I can say 29th, or we can say it will never expire and it will never be deleted. Once I change never expire, if I click again, this actually this expiration date does not show, so it will forever stay. So you cannot decide later on to do it. You see here I have a recording that actually expires in 1 day, so we get here some remark. By the way, also a mail will be sent to the user to get a notification. Now, even though this is deleted, we still have the recycle bin where we can restore it. So another 93 days after it's deleted, so 90 plus 90 is 180, so that's enough time for the user to do it. So this is what I wanted to show you. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like my channel, subscribe, and see you.